Hey, how's it going? Charlie Bradford here, and today I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're here, it's because you're looking for an affiliate marketing tutorial, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you, guys. So watch the video to the end. I'm going to give you the basics of what I like to call the profit cycle and how this is going to help you find success in affiliate marketing. It's basically the system that you put in place to build your business, your affiliate marketing business, the best way, and it's how most people succeed with affiliate marketing. So we'll jump over to the whiteboard. So profit cycle. So first off, the profit cycle with affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, quickly, affiliate marketing is promotion of other people's products. That can be physical products through Amazon. It can be digital products, software products. There's huge amount of different things. Health and fitness. There's loads of different niches. So essentially, what you first need to do is find a niche. And what I recommend with this is something that you're interested in, because then you can promote those products a lot easier if it's something you're already interested in. So it's always good to start there. If that's all else fails, the digital product and software product industry is massive. It's a great place to start. It's where I do my affiliate marketing. It's what I focus on, and it's something great for anyone. So anyone can start a business in that niche and really find success there. So, but first off, any business, it doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing or any other business, the first part of that is traffic. You absolutely must have traffic. You can have the best product in the world, but if you can't get it in front of people, if people can't see it, no one is ever going to buy it. So traffic is essential, and we can get traffic from a number of different places. There's two specific categories. There's free traffic and paid traffic. So free traffic is like YouTube videos, as I'm doing here. It can be Facebook organic, Instagram, TikTok is another big one, blogging. There's a number of different ways you can do free traffic strategies. And these are a great way to get started because there's no financial investment for you, and what you're doing, there's always an investment. And what you do with free traffic or organic traffic is you're investing your time. It takes a lot more time to build because you know, people don't know who you are to start with. You need to build a presence in your niche, you need to build authority in that niche, and you need to build a personal brand, and then once that all starts to build, you'll start getting traction for organic marketing strategies. And just going to stop there and just say, guys, if you want to find out more about all this sort of stuff, I put together a free training series. All you got to do is hit the link below this video, and you can jump in there. So feel free to do that anytime. That goes over all this stuff a lot more. The next traffic is paid. So paid traffic can be Facebook ads, Google ads, you know, YouTube ads. There's a number of different paid strategies. Again, these are a fantastic way for building and scaling your business very, very quickly, but they take financial investment. They, in combination, it's very, very powerful. Once you're able to use both of those together to be able to put some financial backing into paid advertising as well as doing your organic marketing strategies, that can be very, very powerful, and that's when your business will really take off. So traffic, and then from that traffic source, we're going to drive people into what we call a capture page. So here, the idea of this is we want to capture people's information. We want their email address, you know, potentially their name. I always like to capture people's names as well, so I can, you know, become more personal. I can build a relationship with those people. But here, to capture people's names, what we do is we give something away for free. So what we call like an ethical bribe. So this can be anything from a PDF document to an ebook to a training series, or access to you know, a tool, or, you know, a free trial period. You know, there's a number of different ways you can do this with free products. The most widely used online it tends to be PDF documents and ebooks, stuff like that. And if you're wondering, you know, well, how do I get all that? You know, where do I get it from? Well, again, there's a number of different ways you can do this. But as you're building your business, you're learning these skills. So say, let's take YouTube, for instance. So if you're building your channel on YouTube, you're starting to produce videos at first, you know, it's not going so well, and then you get a bit better, and you're starting to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube. You can create a document of your journey, of the process that you've used to build your channel up and build your audience on YouTube, put that together and you can give that away for free. And you might be saying, well, that's information I could sell that. But no, you know what this is about is giving as much value as you possibly can. You need to give value in return. People will come to you for information, and you know, then you can lead on to promotions and stuff. So once you've captured information, there's two things now that we're going to do. The first thing that we're going to do from here is we lead them onto a thank you page or a bridge page. So the thank you page can just be a bit of copy, you know, some text in there saying, you know, thank you very much for your information. I hope you enjoy the book. And what I like to do is put a video as well in there. In some instances, I like to put video in, and what that will do is give them a bit more information, maybe on, you know, related to the book or whatever you've given away to them for free, just to really accelerate their progress for that. So maybe give them your key takeaways from an ebook that you've just given them, or you know, something like that in a video form. You know, it's a fantastic way to build that, start building that relationship. But on this thank you page, essentially, you're going to have a link in there, your affiliate link, a button that your leads that you've just captured can click on, and that's going to send them to your affiliate product. So whatever you're promoting, whatever you want to promote, you can send them straight onto that from that thank you page, and that's a great way to do it. You know, there's going to be you know, some people that are going to hit that button, you know, from reading the book, or they might come back, read the book and come back and hit that button and get sent through. But also you're going to, you know, the conversion rates can be quite low if you do it that way. This is why videos are so good. But what you're also going to do from that capture page is you've captured these people's emails now. So what you want to do is put them emails into an email autoresponder. This is fantastic because this is another source of traffic back up, like we said right at the beginning. This is another source of traffic, but this is traffic that you actually own, because with paid advertising and organic marketing strategies, you never own the traffic. So Facebook or Google or YouTube, whatever, they can shut you down at any time, and they have done in the past, and shut multi-million-dollar businesses down overnight, because you don't own any of the traffic. But with building an email list of subscribers, this is where it's powerful, because you own that traffic, and you can use that to promote products. So you're going to, from that email autorespond, you're going to send out email promotions. This can be for the affiliate link, so if they haven't clicked on that link in a thank you page, you can follow up, put them into a follow-up campaign. You can say, you know, hey, I noticed you didn't do this. I'm sure you've all seen these emails before when you've gone onto an e-commerce store and you've put something in your shopping basket, and then you've come out and you've decided not to buy it, and then you get follow-up emails. This is exactly what they're doing. They've captured your email address, and then they'll start following up, and then they may follow up and say, look, you know, I noticed you fell out, here's a 20% discount or something. You know, we've all seen it before, but you can do exactly the same. And not only that, now when you get these subscribers, you can build a relationship with this. This is not all about selling. Again, this is not all about selling, it's about giving value to people. So you can then give as much value to this email list as you can, start building that relationship with them, and then in doing so, when something really decent comes along, something that you find, you know, maybe a new product's being released or something that's really helped you, you can say, look guys, you know, send out an email to your list and say, look guys, you know, if you want to find out how I've got to where I am today, or how I've done this or whatever, you can then send out a new promotion for a different product, you know, and this list will last you forever. You know, it's yours to keep forever. As long as you keep giving value to people, then, you know, people aren't going to unsubscribe. If you just keep trying to sell to everyone, this is the problem that a lot of people face with email campaigns. They don't understand how to do it properly, and what they'll do is they just keep sending, you know, pitch after pitch after pitch, and people get annoyed. You know, we've all been there. We've all got all these spam emails coming through. We don't want to get sold all the time. What these people want, they've come in because there's something for free. They've got some information. They've got an interest in the niche that you're promoting. And what you want to do is give them some information. Now, help these people out, because they're in the same boat as you. They want to make their lives better in some way, whether that's earning more money or getting fitter or healthier, you know, building their relationships up. There's loads of different ways, but they want to essentially make their lives better, and your goal here is to make their lives better. So I hope that's helped, guys. I wanted to give you a brief introduction into affiliate marketing and what I like to call the profit cycle. Again, if you want to find out more, you think this affiliate marketing stuff sounds great, I really want to find out more about how you do all this, I've put together a free training series. All you got to do is hit the link below the video, guys. It's just down there. It's completely free. Just put in your best email. Make sure you white label or whitelist my emails, because the training is sent over email. Check out all the training, because there's some great information in there. And also, I'm putting out information on here as much as I possibly can onto YouTube. 3 times a week I put videos out. I'd love it if you subscribed, and if you have any questions about the profit cycle, about anything I talk about in my videos, just stick a comment below. I reply to all my comments, so stick them below, guys. And it's been great catching up with you, and I'll speak to you on the next video. Take care. Bye.